Hey, dude. So, alright.
Ibang level.
Damay tsura din.
Hindi na ako sa upuan. May lapel pa tayo.
Wait, ano yan?
Damay tsura ni Tin.
Vlogging! Yo, naka-record na yan.
Vlogging the next
Damay tsura ni Tin, ha?
from voices. And I mean, you look like you're pissed, ganyan. Ibang level. Okay, so anong gagawin natin ngayong araw? Ngayong araw ay Tagalog. Ha? Gag Gag Oh shit. Okay, so today gagawa tayong pancit canton sa office.
So, do you endorse Lucky Me ba?
No, sana. Lucky me. if maraming viewers, if you get a lot of viewers from this, please next time sponsor
us.
us.
The people around here first.
Okay, first I would like to introduce myself. Ryan, and over there watching her thing, Christine, and then the man of the day, Awi, and our cameraman behind cameras.
Right.
So yeah, so a lot of you probably are asking, paano kayo nakakaluto ng pancit canton? Because we Filipinos have this craving palagi with pancit canton, and sometimes you're wondering like, what if I'm in the office and I want to eat pancit canton and like all that stuff, and you want to make pancit canton, and this is how it's done. So yeah, all you need is the pancit canton, malaking container, and of course microwave, kasi essential yan when making pancit canton.
Alright.
Yan. So first, what we do is take out the pancit canton, separate the seasonings.
What are you doing? Are you crushing it?
Up to you. Kung gusto mong mahaba yung noodles, then you can. You don't need to crush it, but if for sharing, ganyan, you crush it.
So, ano tumatakbo dito sa habang ginagawa
Paano sinisira yung buhay ko? I tend to laugh a lot, kaya hayaan nyo na.
It's overflowing.
Ayan. So in this case, kasi hindi pala ganun kalaki yung lalagyan natin, I will crush it.
Did you wash your hands?
I did not.
What?
Ito yung special flavor na you will get from my hands. What's next? Follow me. Oh shit, what are we doing?
Cooking with Ryan.
Hot water. Wait, pang ano to? Ano tawag dun sa sabi ni Mads na pang ano, may points?
Momentum?
Yung ano,
ginagawa mo ng video.
Kaltura?
Oh, Kaltura. This is part of Kaltura. This is my entry.
So, for customer operation?
Magluto ng pancit canton. You cannot really function and work if you're hungry. That's why you eat pancit canton. There's something in pancit canton that makes you energetic and feels good. So yan. If you notice, I don't really place that much water. Kasi we're trying to avoid the draining part. So if mas-soak lahat ng noodles yung water, then the better.
So, how do you call yourself? Chef Ryan?
No. Taga-kain ng pancit canton. Yan.
So, what's with the
Ay, show Char! Habulin niyo si Char. Ano nangyari doon?
Okay, alright, so we're back.
Okay, while waiting, you can video Awi.
No, that
Entertain.
Gotta go.
Awi. Be entertained with Awi. He'll show you a great performance muna. Intermission number.
I have nothing.
Alright, so
How
how
we forget.
long will it take?
Probably less than 10 minutes.
Alright, she's asking for bread.
Did you buy Christine tinapay? You did not.
I did not buy her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, this reality too. Reality TV.
Wala nang battery.
Full of drama.
You forgot to buy
Drama over
Christine.
No!
Ah.
She was asking for a piece of bread.
Oh, she's asking for a piece. I thought kasi, bibilhan mo siya ng tinapay. Nagpapabili
No.
siya ng tinapay sa'yo.
No.
She did not say na she will ask like a few pieces from her sandwich.
Oh!
Wala tayong panghukay. Panghukay.
So, what tools are you
Wait,
using?
kuna anong fork. Oh, they really need to follow me around. Keeping up with Ryan. From keeping up with the Kardashians. Ganito siguro feeling ng mga ano no, pag you're part of a reality TV na hinahabol-habol ka ng camera. Maubos yung memory mo niya, Nige. Why don't you post it
Oh,
muna?
worth it.
Alright. I got lots of memory.
Okay.
Worth it.
So what are you doing?
Saute. Saute.
Mixing it.
How do you call that process?
Kulang yata ng tubig. Ha? Soaking and mixing.
Do you think it's enough?
I guess so. We'll see.
So why do you prefer Lucky Me over the other brands?
Well, there are at least two, parang Pancit Canton that I like.
Why?
First would be the mee goreng, and then second is Pancit Canton. The rest is I'm not sure.
So there's a brand name Pancit Canton?
Lucky me. I don't know. I just call it Pancit Canton. When I say Pancit Canton, it's Lucky me.
Okay.
Why don't you focus the lens on you naman and say something?
No. I'm tired of seeing myself in front of the mirror.
Why?
Because
It's too good looking.
so what can you say about your neighbors and your friends?
Neighbors?
Yeah.
Why do I care about my neighbors? Just because God tells me to love my neighbor doesn't mean I should care about them. I mean, like every day of their like freaking life. But
What? Are you
Am
not
I
gonna
camera
share? Are
ready?
you not gonna share your blessings with your neighbors, like your
Blessings?
Canton, your specialty? Because I think you could make.
I am
some
sharing
money
it
out
with
of
you
it.
guys.
But we're not your neighbors. We're your colleagues.
Station wise, like we're neighbors. Like
Okay.
your station is like 5 steps away from mine, so,
So
we're
what
neighbors.
can you say about your current struggles in life? How can you
Struggles?
relate it?
That's too personal. Kidding.
How can you relate it to Pancit Canton? So what are you doing?
Struggles and Pancit Canton, if there's anything in common or what, if making Pancit Canton and what can I learn from it is patience. In life, like you really need to be patient because
Like what you're doing
things
right now?
doesn't come easily. Sometimes you need to wait for it. That's one thing I learned from like God, like to wait for the right timing and everything.
Do you think it requires a lot of patience to do what you're doing right now?
Of course, look what I'm doing.
Why is it taking so long?
Because it's not instant na.
Alright, so what can you say about the Philippines right now?
Philippines right now, the trouble over China.
What?
Not really the trouble, but with the issue with the contracts with Chinese deals. That's how you call it. Deals with China. China. You call it
What's
China.
Giant China?
China. We have to tighten our borders because China.
Repent.
Like, do you really care about China? Yes,
Wait,
we care
do you
about
really
China.
care about that?
What?
Canton?
Spilled?
My China, your China, his China, his she China.
Hindi luto lahat. Do you mind eating, crunchy?
Cook it all.
Well, you're live,
Hmm?
so the whole world is gonna see how you cook your
What's it called?
Pancit Canton.
No, this is fried, crunchy pancit canton.
Wow, looks good. What?
That's where the crunchy part comes in.
So when did you start learning how to cook Pancit Canton?
I learned it when I started to live alone for myself. Do you mind if I bite the plastic?
So what are you gonna do next?
Strictly English ba yung vlog na yan?
No. Ano na
You
ginagawa
can
mo?
Tagalog.
Explain to us the essence
The-
of that process.
The usual, after the noodles is made, it's done. You placed all the seasonings, the sugar, this thing. Don't show it.
Are your hands clean? Did you wash your hands?
Yes. Wash it with my own pee.
It smells good. Is that how you do it? You
Yes.
bite it? Can you do it once more?
A portion of my saliva makes everything taste good.
So after that, we are going to the next portion of our program. That's the taste test. So there is our critic waiting for his scrumptious.
No more tissue.
So how does it feel to be a chef?
You call this a chef? He would be very offended.
Why? That's your specialty.
Everybody does this.
No,
Not worth
not
calling
everybody
a
should do
chef.
that. So what are you doing? Are you ensuring the cleanliness?
Yes, wala tayong tissue, so let me just
So where are you going?
get some sa restroom. Oh. Yeah. You have to follow me around talaga. Ay, nako. Buisit.
Is it necessary to get the tissue at the restroom?
Wala eh, walang tissue dun.
Is it something that you're gonna complain about? Well, it says save paper, save trees, save the world. So it means...
Akala ko gagawa pa tayong reaction video.
Oh nga, reaction video nga yan.
Reacting to myself video.
Done yet?
Just have to mix everything and then we're good. Oh, smells like ano? Iba nga yung smell. Amoy ano. Video ano muna si Awi.
No?
So let me ask you questions na lang din since you've been asking me questions also.
Okay.
How is TR Unlimited Faith?
Still faith.
Faithless.
Faith without works.
Why nare-record mo yan, eh? What are your like greatest struggle handling Faith Unlimited?
Ryan, my friend.
How am I a struggle?
He's been my struggle since I came here. Do you know Ryan, my friend?
Try natin.
Well, he used to be my friend. Oh, how does it taste?
Masarap. Masarap. Masarap niya. We're good. We can eat now. Bilisan mo si Andre. Yeah.
So, papatikim pa natin yan outside?
Patry mo kay Awi muna. Videoan mo.
Good! Tutulog!
So this is the final product. Product.
Product. Let me focus a bit. Wow. So awesome.
Tara. Tawagin ko lang si
So, he is worshipping
Hey, what did I do? Natanggal. I don't know how to fix this. What did I do?
Is that the end of our vlog?
I guess so. Papaste mo muna kaya.
I know so. And... Oh no, nabali. Oh no, nabali. Nabali yung clip mo, bro.